Hi guys, the girl Njay. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about what to do when you feel dissatisfied. I mean, dissatisfaction is something we feel and it's awesome. Don't just blow it away because you're about to shift. What do you do when you're about to shift into a new level or a new season? Maybe I'll talk about seasons and how to identify seasons, but let's talk about dissatisfaction. I mean, it's a good thing. You need to even know how to have divine dissatisfaction. Like God always, tries to make us dissatisfied because there are depths in Him that have not been uncovered. We should not just be happy. Oh, I have the good house, I have the good car. Is that what your Christianity is all about? I'm sure that's not it. So you need to know more of God, and there's that divine. And then once you feel that dissatisfaction, it means that the seven spirits of God have been, sent. They are always sent for. They are ever before the throne, but the spirit of wisdom, which is what Isaiah 11 says. Spirit of wisdom, counsel, might, understanding, fear. That's all. Government, or what is called the spirit of the Lord or lordship, and might. All these seven spirits are sent for. They're like tutors to bring you into truth, to help you have insight, understanding, knowledge. Paul said that he prayed for them so that their eyes can be enlightened, knowledge for understanding. They're for revelation. Okay, so that's what this is the spirit of. So the spirit of that have been released. And a lot of people just go through seasons feeling dissatisfied and they don't even know how to enter into new areas. So you have to acknowledge the spirit of wisdom. You have to acknowledge the seven spirits of God. Because you can't be crying and begging for things in this kingdom, because all things have been given to you. So all you need to do, like the way Philemon 1 verse 6 says, that by acknowledging every good thing that's based in you in Christ, the communication of your faith is effectual. So what you need to do is acknowledge. That's what meditation is as well. When you're meditating, you're acknowledging, because you're just saying who you are over and over to yourself, in your heart, in your thoughts, in your memory, your will, your desire, the gates of your soul. I talk about meditation, look at my meditation videos. So this is the way, so that you're trying to shift up. You don't waste those seasons of your life. Divine dissatisfaction. I love it. I love it. I love when God does that to me and I'm just hungry. Oh, and now that's the time. Now I talk about fasting. These are times to set out in fasting, feasting. I call it feasting. You're just laying hold, you're just gazing, you're becoming, you're changing. It's so beautiful. A lot of people just go through life, they don't know why they're dissatisfied. You look at your wardrobe, things that used to make you happy before, in quotes. Of course, they're not supposed to make you happy, but you get what I mean. Things you like, let's just put it like that, prior to this time, and you're just everything just annoying. You just something is happening. You need to shift into a new season. You need to separate yourself in prayer and fasting. And remember, guys, I told you there are different kinds of fast. Check my video on fasting. You could might not even be food fast. Not that I have anything against food fast, but you can, spend time in the night, or just look for a way to, shift up until you eat. You pray around truth. You shift up. You want to know new layers of truth, new layers of God, areas that lots of people haven't yet known. All right, I'm just gonna stop here. Thank you so much for sticking with me. Let me know in the comments what you like me to talk about. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.